Hey, we're at Taimawang Waterfall on Kosi Move. Just checking out the shops. Got Santa Claus. And these shoes, they look like earthing shoes. I think the energy of the earth would go through those. And some more woven stuff, woven bags. A lot of work gone into that now. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is.
You like it?
Got some elephants. It's right next to the elephant rides and stuff. And got some clothes here now. Dee bought those red pants.
Coconut.
There it is. Check it out.
I like it.